Hi, this video is exercise 2, week 4 on CST 235. This is writing a JavaScript pig Latin converter. It is the eternray of way igpe attenlay. So we went over some basic code in class the other day. Scripting this stuff here. I downloaded it, got it working. And then I decided to, wanted to reuse what I already made. I did change it a little bit to function better as JavaScript than it did as regular Java code. It's a little chunky as regular Java code, but here it's a little bit more lean. So, more or less, this is my code that I have running. So what happens is translate sentence is activated when you hit submit. So this is translate sentence. I did event to prevent default. So what basically the way it's set up right now currently is if I didn't have that in there, it would just refresh the page every time I hit submit, which is I believe the normal thing for it to do. So by preventing default, it is allowing the function to run and then display the answer correctly. And it will stay that way until you refresh the page. And then everything else is basically the same as before. I just changed some of the variable names around, so we're still getting document. We're doing the form. I just called it form. I just called this form. It just made more sense than F name and that sort of thing. So basically, we're getting the elements, we're splitting them up, and then it runs them in the translate pig Latin function here. And then this is what tests the words themselves for the vowels and their locations, and then we'll return the appropriate version of the word. Okay, sorry. Had to deal with officer at the door because I guess my neighbor got broken into last night, ex-girlfriend or something. Anyway, so this is what does the vowel checks, and then we'll go ahead and substring out the word based on where the vowel is, and then returns the words. So once it does that, it will go ahead and spit everything back. It'll go ahead and join everything, and then just like in my original Java file, Java program, I had everything go uppercase, and then it'll go ahead and print the result underneath. So I did do some style, which we'll see here now. I did this as the ye old pig Latin converter. Figured that was kind of funny. So this is what will come up when you bring this up. So we'll do the typical it was a dark and stormy night, like we did in our original program way back when. It way, as way, awe, arc day, and way, ormi stay, itne, which is the correct intended result of that. Next one, this was a funny one because I just wanted to see if it worked. And we can say, Oli hey, it, shay, atman bay. It does work on that one. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Ethe. Wick. K. That one did work. Owenbray. That one worked. Oxfay. Yep. Umps J. overway, ethe, azile ogde. So that worked. That's 3 phrases. We'll do ye old pig Latin converter. Ea, old way, ig pay, atten lay, unverter k. So we can see that seems to work as well. And one more. We'll do this one since we know it's actually on the assignment sheet. Etern ray of way igpay attenlay. And we have success with our Pig Latin converter. So that's it. Until next time, ahoy ho.